So we're out in the new cornfield here at Rousdale Farm, and you always see a cornfield or sweet corn growing. Have you ever picked it? It's not that difficult. So I thought a little tutorial on picking corn today. I mean, you know, why not? You may find yourself thinking about next year growing some corn, and it's the best. When you grow your own corn, you come out, you pull the ears off, and you go in and you cook it immediately. You've never had corn that good ever. But I will say this corn has been amazing, even the next couple of days. This is Illusion. This is a white corn. So you don't really say you're picking corn, you usually say you're pulling corn. And the reason for that is you take a cob or an ear and you kind of pull it off. And that's what you do. And you can clean that off if you want to. You're ready to go. So it's a pretty simple process, even reaching across like I am here. You just kind of rip it off from the stem. If it sticks a little bit, just give it another little jerk. And you can kind of feel with your fingers if the corn is ready. You really look for the silk. If the silk is all dry and brown, then that's a good sign that it's ready. Now this one, even though it's pretty skinny, I can tell by the feel that it's probably ready to cook. So that's the way you pull corn. So I'm going to pull a few here, and this is what's going on today down on the farm.